So one of the main things I'm in charge of for this boat rebuild is all of the fabric and upholstery redo. So this is one of the first things I'm going to redo because, as you can see, there are holes in it and it's the wrong color because we're going with more of like a royal blue, navy blue, and white theme for this boat. So this Caribbean blue is just the wrong color. But Sailrite sells this fabric, and I have a heavy duty sewing machine, so I should be able to do this with the grommets in and replace it really quick and easy. So that's one of the first projects I'm going to be working on, along with reupholstering. Probably I'll buy new foam to these pads and this pad. The chairs, at some point I will probably redo as well because they're old. The fabric is still all intact. It may look fine once it's clean, but it definitely needs a paint job and some sprucing for sure.